Hi everybody, I'm Randy from Randy's Electric. I'm here with Tom, one of my excellent journeyman electricians. Really proud to have him. So Tom, I got you here because you look so good.
Yeah.
But I got to tell you the story.
Yep.
This is Smoke Detectors Part 2. See, a customer, a long-time customer of mine, called me up. I was on a Saturday night and I was shopping with my wife, and they called him. I remember because it was my customer, whose name was Randy Smith, same as me. Yep. And his friends came over to his house because they had nowhere to go. So they believed in smoke detectors. They had a lot of battery smoke detectors placed all over their house. They were watching TV on their first floor with their basement door shut, okay? And they smelled something. So they went and they opened the door to the basement. And when they did, exactly, smoke and fire came up, blasted heat hit them in the face. They got their purses, their jackets, their shoes, and they left their home, and their home was totally destroyed. And so they were over at my friend Randy Smith's house because they had nowhere to go. And it was really sad. The thing I'm left with is if their smoke detectors had been interconnected.
Yep.
So tell me about interconnected smoke detectors.
So regardless of the fact that it's mandated anytime you build or remodel a house now, it is the most important aspect of the smoke detectors. If one goes off in your basement, they're always going to go off in your bedroom upstairs or your living area upstairs or your basement bedroom, which means you're going to get early signs to tell you to either call the fire department or get out of the house in a safe, timely manner.
Or even get your own fire
Absolutely.
going.
If it's just a toast burning in the toaster and it started on fire, it's going to give you that warning that you need to either protect your investment as far as your home goes or your family's life. So very important.
The extra few minutes makes all the difference when it comes to a fire. And we believe in safety. We're not going to cut corners. We're going to do it the best, safest way possible. So give us a call at Randy's Electric, 763-560-5600. That's 5600, because we fix your uh-ohs. We're also at randyselectric.com. Thanks very much.